Sales and marketing move fast. And when your business tools are on the same page, there's no limit to how far you can go. With Startuped.ai native go-to-market platform, you can launch marketing, sales, and fundraising workflows in minutes, not months, without waiting on expensive agencies or complex setups. Finally, it's time to build, grow, and fund your company, all from one place.
Hi, I am Sarah from Startup. Are you struggling to reach a larger audience, grow sales, and raise funds?
Yes, I would like to reach more customers, get more sales, and grow my business.
No worries, I got your back.
It all begins with building your brand identity and designing omni-channel campaigns that truly resonate. AI then generates personalized ads that capture attention instantly, delivering across all social platforms and adapting to your audience while improving your return on ad spend by multifold and measuring your return on investment with precision. As leads come in, the platform accelerates your sales pipeline by 10 times. Just type a name, and AI autofills the details, enriches profiles, and organizes them into pipelines. Visualize leads instantly with interactive network and map views. Import, export, or segment lists in a click. AI delivers company insights, fills in deal details, and suggests the right contacts, helping your team focus on winning and closing faster with revenue intelligence fine-tuned on your market signals. When it's time to connect, the email assistant crafts tailored messages in your tone for your audience, ready in seconds. And to fuel growth, we have specific tools for your every need, from initiating sales call to investor search, which makes fundraising really simple. Explore thousands of investors, manage relationships, and track progress, all from one dashboard. Everything you need to create, launch, and grow, all from our AI-native GTM platform. So that businesses get speed, teams get clarity, investors get confidence. Your business gets to market faster, with more leads, more sales, and more capital raised. Startuped.ai, a platform that acts as a fractional CMO and CRO that actually grows your business.